Assalamu alaikum. I am Kamul Hassan, assistant teacher Gopalpur High School. I am presenting a class on behalf of Kalukhali Upazila online class. Dear learners, we are going to take a class from Unit 6, Lesson 1. Unit 6, Lesson 1. Please take your textbook, exercise book and pencil, and please open your textbook at page 61. Page 61. So dear learners, please look at the picture in A. What do you see? Okay. Thank you. See here, some people are sitting in a place and there is a plane over their head, above their head. Is it? Okay, thank you, dear learners. Can you guess where it could be? Yes, it may be in an airport. It may be an airport. Okay, dear learners, who are the people in the picture? Yes, perhaps the people are the members of a family. Okay, then what could be their relationship? Sorry, who are the people in the picture? Yes, the people are in the picture are in a lounge. And what could their relationship? They may be the members of a family. Yes, dear learners, please follow your book. The keywords here is lounge. Lounge is noun. It is public room for relaxing. And then immigration. Immigration, it is also noun. The place at port. Port or airport where the passport and other documents of people coming from other countries other countries are sect. Immigration, the place at port or an airport where the passport and other documents of people coming from other countries are checked. Yes, dear students, note it on your exercise book. Okay, thank you. Hope that you have finished it. Yes, open your book at page 61. I am going through. Please follow your textbook. Zara lives with her parents in London. They have come to Bangladesh to visit Zara's aunt and uncle. She is very close to her cousin Mita. Both the families have visited many interesting places together in Bangladesh. It was great fun. Then they decided that they would visit some places outside Bangladesh too. They decided to go to Thailand. But Mita's parents were too busy with their work. So they could not go. However, Mita was going with them. Mita, Zara, and her parents are at Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport. They are waiting in the lounge. Mita is very excited. This is her first time to board a plane. They are flying by Bangladesh Biman. Mita is hoping to have a great time to Thailand. As they wait, the two cousins start planning what they would do once they reach Bangkok. Mita's uncle bring forms for all of them to fill in before going through the immigration. He gives one to Mita and says, you have to give some information about yourself in the form. The information, immigration officer will check your passport and stamp it, and then you are ready to travel. Mita, Zara and her parents start filling in the forms. So dear learners, please write the answer of the following question. Why is Mita excited? Why aren't Mita's parents going with her? What does an immigration officer do at the airport? Dear learners, please write the answers of this question on your notebook. Okay, dear learners, hope that you have already finished it. Now, check your answer. Why is Mita excited? Yes, Mita is excited as it is the first time he is flying. So, we have also the first time experience of something. Perhaps to go to school first, to travel on bus, boat, launch, or any other transport. Haven't you? Yes, dear learners. So, Mita is excited as it is the first time he is flying. Isn't it? Yes, dear learners. Why aren't Mita's parents going with her? Why aren't Mita's parents going with her? Yes. Mita's parents aren't going with her as they are busy with their jobs. As they are busy with their jobs, Mita's parents aren't going with Mita. Isn't it? Okay, dear learners. And what doesn't an immigration officer do at the airport? Okay, thank you. Have you any experience to go abroad through airport? Yes. An immigration officer check passport and other documents of the passengers who come from the other countries. Firstly, the immigration officer check the passport and documents, and if they are okay, then he stamps on it, on the passport. He stamps on the passport. Are you okay? Okay, dear learners. Now you have to write a short composition about your exercise on or traveling to another place. It could be going to your grandfather's, aunt's, sister's or brother's house. Write about your preparation before traveling, your experience on the way, such as launch, terminal, railway, bus station or airport. Dear learners, you have to write minimum 10 sentences on your notebook now. So, write it please. So, dear learners, I hope that you have already finished Now exchange your khata with your friend and share the experience of your friend also. Okay, dear learners, I hope that you have already exchanged your khata and read through your friends' khata. Okay, we have learned and another experience from your friends, isn't it? Okay, dear learners, now you have to write a paragraph on please, dear learners, you have to write a paragraph on traveling just traveling. You have to write a minimum 10 sentences. It is your homework. So, it's for today. Hope that you will follow the class and share with your friends. They will be benefited, I hope. And if there is any difficulties, please write it on the text box. So thank you, dear learners. We will meet our next class, and for this time, please stay at home and stay safe. Thank you very much.